Hey guys, it's me, the Pometnov, and today I'll teach you how to build Balloon Boy from Five Nights at Freddy's 2. I love this build a lot, especially the balloon. I find this build really cute for a FNAF build. Anyways, yeah, let's get right into the tutorial. Anyways, now that that's complete, let's go ahead and assemble Balloon Boy. Let's first take the body, and as you can see, these two pieces can connect to each other. Now we take the hands. The one holding the sign goes on the right, and the one tilted upwards goes on the left. We then take the balloon and put it right here. Okay? Now we take the head and we attach it like this. Balloon Boy can move his mouth. You can twist his head, move it up and down, and basically what you can do is you can write anything on the sign that you want, and he can stand perfectly well, and he has super cool buttons. Anyways, I hope you like this video a lot. It would be really nice for you to subscribe and press the bell notification and share this video with your friends, and I'll be back with more LEGO FNAF 2.